Yes, what's up everybody? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and today we are trying something new. We are trying South Sudan local food and what $10 can bring in Juba, South Sudan. So we are going to eat the local food. I don't know what type of food, but we want to go and see what one there. So stick around and make sure you like and subscribe this one. This is the restaurant I'm going to try and eat there. And the restaurant is kind of empty, like people are not there, but my guys are already there sitting. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف؟ تمام؟ في شنو علينا؟
في هنا أكل فاصوليا رز كسرة فاصوليا بدي
ممكن ناينو؟
سوكما يا
Okay.
يا continue.
Yeah. So أنا ما بعرف أسامون. This one asida.
Yeah, this one is portion. See that?
This posho.
Yeah.
And
This one is
anjera.
Nigeria. Yeah.
Like this one for
For
Somali.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is some meat for.
Okay, meat.
This one is sukuma wiki. It's called sukuma wiki.
Sukuma wiki.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this one look nice.
Yeah.
Which one is this?
Very
Gwede.
Yeah. It's grease also.
Okay. Rus.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, I know this. We have beans
Yeah, beef.
and fish.
Free fish.
Okay.
That's also meat.
Okay. As a طلب بكم؟
Dalabas, brau.
Barabara meaning like the highest one.
Yeah, high is 20.
Huh?
It's high is 20.
Okay. The highest price is 20.
High is price 20.
20. How about the lowest one?
17. It's 12.
Okay.
10.
Nice one. What's the name of the restaurant?
Yeah, Sahara.
Sahara.
Yeah.
Guys, we are here right now in Sahara. It's called Sahara?
Yeah, it's called Sahara.
Sahara.
Yeah,
Okay.
Sahara.
Mount Sahara. Where is it located? Maybe someone wants to.
BTOL, it's BTOL.
BTOL.
Yeah.
BTOL. Okay.
Block Saba.
Block Saba.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Nice to meet you, my guy.
Yeah, okay,
I did not ask your name.
Yeah.
Your name is?
Yeah, Muhammad.
Muhammad.
What about you?
Lam.
Lam.
But it's me Muhammad Zadu.
Okay.
Lakini ana Muslim.
Okay.
Ana Muhammad. Okay. Guys, say hi to my guys. They already start eating, guys.
We are already eating.
They already start eating.
Somali food.
All right.
This is South Sudan.
South Sudan, this is the food we order.
Nigeria.
Uh-huh.
This is South Sudan. Kisra.
This is a kisra.
Don't really know how to call it in English. But
It's like pepper food. Let me go and wash my hands. Let's wash the hand. Let's wash my hand. Okay. Guys, the food is very cheap, so we are trying a $1 challenge and also $10 challenge. So right now we are using $1. So after from here, so maybe we shall go and see what $10 can bring. This is $1. We buy all this food with $1. Yeah. And the highest price is 20,000, and the lowest price, which is also 15, 17 up to there. So let's go and we see what we can eat. My guys have already started eating. This is the water. These are the best service, and I think water is also cold.
Fresh water.
Oh shit. Tamam. Shukran lek katir.
This is mawiki.
Sukuma wiki.
Fresh from the garden.
So the water was put in the fridge, so like I don't know how you can see the cold water. The water is very cold, and this water is free. They give you when you are buying, and also if you want to upgrade, you can buy from there. Those are the water. Yeah. So let's give our first taste of the food. Water is so cold. Water is very cold. All right.
So guys, you see we're enjoying South Sudan street food with bon fête.
So how much is this food?
I think this
8,000 South Sudanese pounds.
which is a quarter of $1.
Again $2.
Yeah,
$2. Oh, this is $2.
But that one for last time it was too much.
This is $2 food. You can see $2 food how big it is. So it can satisfy like four of us, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and more. So the taste of the food is very delicious. These people, they really know how to cook. They really know how to cook. But me, I'm a guy of beans. I don't know what is this. He told me the name. This one is what? Gwed. Okay, this is gwed.
Nobody's eating chili?
Amazing. Chili? Nah. Me, I'm a Muslim. I don't eat chili.
You look good. But it look good.
Look good, eh? Yeah. It can kill the food.
It is appetizer. You try.
Bon page. How is the food?
This is rice hard. So this is amaranthus.
Also, let's not forget someone who is sponsoring the food today, the VIP.
This is the guy sponsoring the food.
I'm not sponsoring. Let us just eat.
You see in South Sudan, they have to tell the truth. In South Sudan, people are struggling. Don't see us like this. You say these are big YouTubers. Yeah.
Most plates.
The
We're still
big.
coming up.
Aye.
When you're moving on the road, they say, hey, that is Takaboy, hey, that is this one. But there's no money in the pocket. So you guys need to support us. Super thanks.
You have to let them support.
Let them send super thanks. And always share the video.
How about
Or
Malato?
not subscribe.
You guys, you have to check out Malato.
On TikTok,
Say your channel.
Malato the investor on TikTok.
Investor.
On
What are you
YouTube.
investing on?
See what do I
I
eat?
invest in
Just like
a
a
lot of
cross.
things. Mostly I deal on real estate and then nyachas.
You invest on Nyash. How do you buy Nyash?
Mix it up.
pepper food.
You have never met a girl with nyach. You will invest all your money without knowing.
Malato the investor. Okay. I like this water because very cold. It's like they put them in the fridge.
Just pop in some water, get in some water. It's too cold.
What has become even more?
The water is like you are from Australia, yeah. Australian water.
Do you want tea? They get for you.
I have no appetite to eat it. You guys eat.
Or let them get for soda.
Is here?
You get soda.
Soda is here also.
Okay.
You get soda.
Yeah, this place
How much is soda?
is having everything. Huh? This is, I think this is one of the best places for you to come. Whenever you want to eat lunch, come to one of the best restaurants.
Boss. Coca.
Guys, you have to check this place out. It's now like,
What was the name of the
I think he said it's called Sarah.
Me, I'm okay.
Sarah.
restaurant?
Sarah.
I on diet.
What is something to what I got?
The place called Sarah.
This water is testing what I got.
It's called Sarah, right?
Coke.
This is the sister to Coke. So.
Mm,
So now,
yeah, you
I
can.
don't know what you guys have.
You have no bidder? Yeah.
Pepsi, this Pepsi.
Okay, it's still. You
Give
give
me
me
steam
still.
also. Or give me Fanta if it's there.
Yeah.
Since I don't have appetite to eat, give it tani.
Pulu. After that, you come and drink this and to make it relax.
Fanta, okay? No. Okay, then you give me steam. Steam is a you know, I deal with fruit.
This one is important.
Let me eat.
You eat. This one is good.
Let me open appetite.
This one is good.
You put seta, chili.
Now I start enjoying this one.
You
Carry.
guys can see the meat they are putting. This restaurant is all the best place. They give you meat that will satisfy your need for meat.
You know why I'm eating? Me, I don't have appetite to eat, but I'm going to drink this Coca-Cola. I will remove everything from my stomach. Right?
Mm.
You order Rolex.
My laptop is not eating.
You eat.
Malato is reluctant.
I've already finished. One paper what? Paper food.
Pepper food.
English and Arabic and Dinga.
The pepper food.
Which all are yours?
Yod. Is the same way you are calling? You are calling it yod. How about this, you guys? How do you call this one? In your language? You guys don't have language. You guys don't make this one. You guys are making only asida. That's why it doesn't have. So they don't make it.
There's a video you made a lady planting iron potatoes. Where is she going to be getting rain?
There's no rain around here.
She's going to use water.
Irrigation.
You are very good in farming.
They will become many.
How do you plant them?
Planting them in the sack. Put soil in the sack, then you put the iris.
You just buy the iris from the shop and you put it there.
Yeah.
Then it should be water.
Just like that.
You will see them at home like flowers.
Flowers, yeah.
Okay. They multiply or is only one?
They multiply.
Okay.
What a question.
Because if you just plant only one, maybe it just remain that one alone.
Anywhere they plant, they only plant
This
one
guy also is
seed.
good in
That
farming.
one seed is the only thing that.
That's why I'm asking. I want to start farming.
I studied agriculture.
You study agriculture?
Where?
Okay.
Kumba University in Taiwan.
You finish?
Yeah.
Finish university?
Hey.
You guys finish University of Juba.
I haven't worked
In
in the
Tebe.
I haven't worked in the ministry for some months, then I just left. Because
University of Juba is very hard to finish it. Man, how old are you?
29.
You are going to 30.
Very, very close.
It's time to go and marry. We're waiting for wedding of this guy.
We shall come,
You guys
YouTubers.
will be all invited.
YouTubers marry.
I don't have money.
So you guys should support our brother. He's growing old
Catching a
and he
stick.
has no money. So I think
Very-
you guys will do something.
Very bad. Those days you want to give up.
We're waiting for a Sunday Cultural Festival to go and select beautiful girls.
This time around, Malato must come with someone.
You want to cook me now?
This time around, you must come with someone. We failed to get last time.
No big deal. You get me that something.
Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Guys, we are getting well.
I'm going to go back also and send you a video.
You guys should come and check the restaurant now. Now we are all satisfied and the food is still big as it
This
was.
is $2, only $2, man.
And the food is already satisfying.
Only $2. This is the remaining of $2. Just like that.
Time for us.
You guys are finished.
You finish that paper.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
You ready?
I'm done. I still have soda to drink.
Space for soda.
So if I finish food, this one will not go anywhere.
So guys, as you can see,
Okay.
we are on Brown Face channel and we are done eating. These are the things we just decided to live like this because we are full. Since South Sudan, we
And
can
make people satisfied. That's it.
as much as we want, and even we can leave the food down only with $2. But later when we are paying the money, the funds that are going to go away,
Guys.
will be too much.
We are done right now. Hey, Malato, tell us, how was the food, man?
The food was delicious, man.
The food was nice, huh?
The food was nice.
Did you enjoy like me?
I enjoyed more than you, man.
Aye.
For you, you did test with the lemon. That one you will know that lemon is appetizer.
Okay. Maybe next time I'll try with lemon. I like eating too much salt. Too much salt, yeah. But not today. I did not taste salt today.
That was when I was young. I used to eat salt, but now since we are growing old,
The salt is not good, huh?
it's not advisable for old men.
Okay. Guys,
When
we
you're
are
young,
already
your bones are
satisfied.
still strong, and but now we are growing old. Our bones cannot do things we used to do when we were kids. That means we have to stop eating other things. Salt, sugar.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. That is $2 right now. We still move around, so we will make another video for $10. Yes. Let's see how $2 look like in Juba.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is 20,000.
20,000.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, this is for the food.
That's 28. It's for the food. It's $2.
This is $2. Okay.
Because $1 is 14,000. You calculate, you get $1 is 14,000. $2. Now for the drinks. The drinks.
20 or 24?
24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 for the drinks.
So that is almost, yeah, we eat almost like $2. Deal, $3 point something.
3 point something. What is that something?
That's something.
Sisters?
Around 80 to 70
Round off.
Yeah, that is 3.50.
Guys, we end up eating $3 from here
This is $3. Don't say
because
3.5. Yeah.
the food, all the food is $2 and $2 for 4, I don't know.
That is 3.5.
so you can go and pay.
3.5 all of it.
You can go and pay.
So we end up eating
Let me go and
$3.5.
wash my hand and I came and drink my
Yeah. Now this guy is going to pay. All right. If you always want to have a best lunch, you bring this one on top. I recommend Stream. They did not pay me for advertisement, but it's good.
Toothpick.
And also toothpick. In case you eat a very strong meat, which can stick around, you get one like this. Okay guys, now we are about to leave. Thank you so much for watching up to this side, and if you never subscribe, you have to turn it up, man. Subscribe and like it, and tell me what you think in the video. Comment also, give me your ideas, and recommend where I should go and visit next. So this is the $3.
We go for the Zanda.
We go for Zandi thing, Alela,
Yeah.
today.
Yeah, it's there.
All right. So
In the middle, yeah. This place. Then first call people.
okay, guys, we want to go and check out also some event.
We're going to send visitor.
Hey now, yo, it's for
The
Azandi
Chinese
Pride,
friends.
so we want to go and check it out.
Chinese friendship.
So right now, thank you so much, guys, and see you anytime.